Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. Fire safety video. So, as you saw in the other two video, you know that you are safe in our care because you know that as long as you're on this campus, we have an emergency plan. In this sanctuary, it could be chaos. What if one day we are full? Well, have you ever heard about the line of demarcation? The line of demarcation is a line that goes right down the middle of the whole entire church. This tree here is the line. So, if you are sitting in the sanctuary and you are on this side of the tree, then you use the south sally port and the south sally port and the Judas lobby. Try not to go through the group room because that's their exit. You're gonna create chaos if you go through there. Plus, you can't go around that thing anyway, and you can't cut through the beds. You're just going to have to just walk across the patio. But if you're over here, you go through the north exit through the north lobby. If you are in the pulpit should be easy to evacuate, not the pulpit. The pulpit. The pulpit just have the pastor, the musician, and the drummer. So they just got to walk out, cross this one bridge. But there should only, the choir stand just walk through the pulpit. There should only be 4 people in this independent prayer garden. They come out through the stop sign and walk out. If that north gate is closed, that means it's nighttime and there should be nobody occupying the building because it's the law. That gate stays open just as long as the building is occupied. You know why? Because the north gate has metal locks on it that prevents it from opening no matter how hard you push or kick on it. Have a good day and may God bless you.